Hey guys, welcome back to the Computer Guy Reviews. Today on First Impression, we have a special little device that we got. See if we can. So let's talk about this one. So this is the MoFi, the brand new MoFi network. It says it's a 4G LTE 5G router. We got this mostly for the RV, so that we can have internet on the RV, and we're gonna try it out. I guess what comes in the box: Ethernet cabling, instructions. We have the device itself. We have some antennas, power, and then these are the other antennas. These are going to be the ones for inside to broadcast. Yep. So yeah, we'll post up a review of this guy once I get a SIM card to put into it, and then we'll test it out and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.